Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Nick again at NJ's Bricks. We're coming at you with another Technic build today. This is the McLaren Senna GTR, clocking in at 830 pieces, which I believe makes it the largest Technic set I built so far. I think it's slightly larger than the next-gen Camaro that we built. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this content. I know a lot of you have been watching the Technic videos, so I appreciate that, and hopefully you enjoy this one. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. here is my ADS-C on full display. I forgot to take photos of this set after I completed building it, but before I disassembled it, so you're stuck with a couple of kind of still shots from the video here. It's not my favorite to build the Technic set ever, but I can never complain with how the models look. They always come out looking fantastic, and this one's no exception. Remember to like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you in the next video.